Vlogging time. Ayo dia mapiit ka dia, Dos. Dos, mapiit ka dia. No. Very good. Kadaog ka, Dos?
Adi, gugos. Gugos.
Gugos eh.
Monkey bars! Dos. Daddy, gugos.
Gugos eh.
Daddy, push ups, me push ups. Look at that. That's a basketball hoop. Ah! I'm gonna try to dunk.
Di mo na basketball na.
Dunk ko. There's a ball. Oh.
Di mo na basketball good.
Dunk ko.
Dili na mas. Dili uy. Dili lagi na.
What now?
Kuya, ano? Sige, ikaw. Ikaw, Dos. Kamu dua. Kamu dua ni Kuya. Against Kuya, against Kuya. Dos. Dos. Tinajud ka mahadlok Kuya. Sa una hadlok kayo. See? Dos, it's your turn, Dos. Dos, it's your turn. Kuya, Ono! 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 Wait! Wait! Wait.
Cruising down the highway, windows down low. Sunset paints the sky in a fiery glow. Mountains rise up, touching clouds above. Valleys below, filled with whispers of love. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. City streets pulse with energy so bright. Neon signs flashing in the depths of night. Skyscrapers stand tall, reaching for the sky. As we pass by, with dreams flying high. No maps, no plans, just an open road. Wherever it leads, we'll happily go. Each sight, each sound, a memory to keep. In this adventure, dreams run deep. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. Cruising down the highway, windows down low. Sunset paints the sky in a fiery glow. Mountains rise up, touching clouds above. Valleys below, filled with whispers of love. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. City streets pulse with energy so bright. Neon signs flashing in the depths of night. Skyscrapers stand tall, reaching for the sky. As we pass by, with dreams flying high. No maps, no plans, just an open road. Wherever it leads, we'll happily go. Each sight, each sound, a memory to keep. In this adventure, dreams run deep. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned.